We'll guide you through how to mask text in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many CapCut users want to create creative text masking effects, but do not know how to use the feature. Beginners especially need simple guidance. First, open your CapCut application on your device to begin the editing process. Once the app is open, create a new project by pressing the New Project button on the screen. After that, import a clip from your gallery by selecting the video you want to edit. Then, add the selected clip to the project timeline so you can start working on it. Next, click on the clip in the timeline to open its editing options. On the right menu, look for the mask section among the available tools. Once you find it, click on it to open the masking features. After opening the mask section, turn it on first so you can begin using it. Then, choose the text option from the available mask types. After selecting it, type the desired text you want to display on your clip. From here, you can set the font and size of the text to match your preference. You can also adjust the position, rotation, and zoom of the text so it fits properly on your video. Make sure to place it in a visible and balanced area of the screen. Next, you can add a keyframe into it to create movement or animation effects over time. This allows the text to change position or size as the video plays. After setting the keyframes, check the settings again to make sure everything looks correct and smooth. If something does not look right, adjust it before continuing. Take your time to review the clip and ensure the text effect appears as you intended. Once you are satisfied with the final result, export the project by clicking on the File section. Choose your preferred export settings such as resolution and quality if needed. Then confirm the export process and wait for it to complete. After exporting, you can find your edited video in your device storage. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become more confident in using CapCut features and improve your video editing skills over time for better and more creative results consistently.